take over. Okay. What can you say?
Hindi madali. Good morning! Today, magta-travel po tayo. Ayan, naka-backpack po tayo. I'm so excited! So, hindi po tayo makatulog. So, gagawin na lang natin. Utilize natin yung time. So, dahil Father's Day naman tomorrow, gagawa tayo ng improvised na crown para sa ating ama. So, dahil Father's Day po ngayon, ay mag-kusina takeover tayo. And now, ito po yung chef cook natin. Mag-ano tayo ng mascara para sinuglaw. Ciao everyone! So, happy 2,000 subscribers! And congratulations to us dahil monetize na po tayo. So, yay! Congratulations! Monetize na po ang ating channel. So, yun. Kaya, ngayon, kakain tayo. So, let's go! So, siya is nagkaka-graduate lang ng baccalaureate degree na sa LST, Loyola School of Theology sa Ateneo de Manila. And siya din naman is happy na nakapasa sa first semester ng second year sa civil engineering sa Father's Attorney Orius University. And also, dahil Father's Day ngayon, andyan ang ating itay at saka aking inay. So, ngayon, happy 2,000 subscribers and monetize na tayo!
Hello guys! Have a blessed Sunday to everyone, and today we're here now at the farm, and since today is Father's Day and we're celebrating Father's Day, no? And we challenge her to drive the tractor, no? To maybe 2 rounds. Let us see if she could do it. Let us see. Let's go!
Yes! Dahil Father's Day ngayon, challenge accepted. So, magdadrive tayo ng tractor at least 2 ikot. Dahil Father's Day, iti-take over natin ang mga lahat ng to dito sa farm. Kaya, let's go! Challenge accepted. So, lahat po kami ay magdadrive ngayon ng tractor. Ayan, narinig nyo na. Munog na yung tractor. Oh, let's go! Samahan nyo kami, guys. Kasi napaka-exciting itong gagawin natin. Para ma-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga ginagawa ko at mga na-experience ko dito sa sino ang mauna. Sige na. Bato, pick. Bato. Siya ang una. Okay, maghintay tayo sa ating turn. So, siya yung mauna. May part po dito na malalim yung struggle dito kasi hindi po even yung area. So, may part na malalim. So, wala kang choice kundi mag-swimming. Ayan. Siya po yung una. Siya ang una. Happy Father's Day also sa lahat ng mga daddy, tatay, ano pa, child. So, happy Father's Day. So, at lalo na din, happy Father's Day to my father and then sa aking kapatid na tatay na din. So, yan. Yan. Siya yung una. Dahil siya yung talo. Sino mauna?
Ikaw!
Sige. Ako daw yung mauna. So, challenge accepted. Now he's approaching. Yes! Ay! Say! Oh my God! Look at me! I told you, merong mga ano dito, malalim na part. And watching.
Traktor.
Alapit nga part. Then na drive. Ano man?
Hi. So guys, let us see if she can do it. Now challenge accepted. Let us see. You know guys, it's so muddy and a little bit deep also in this side. So it's a little bit deep, and now she's coming back. Let us see. Challenge accepted. Say hi to my vlog. See? Look at her face. Look at her face. Look at her face. Woo. That's why guys, I salute all the farmers, especially my father. So he's celebrating his Father's Day. So I salute really our father, no? That's very working hard, toil hard for this farm, for this planting rice. And you know guys, it's sad to say that the rice now, they buy the rice, no? The businessman and women, they buy the rice in a very low price, and even the expenses for planting the rice even cannot suffice, no, for to repay the expenses. It's so difficult. See guys, take over. Okay, what can you say?
Hindi madali. Thank you, makainom ka, oy. Thank you po, makainom.
Something, oy.
Gawas ang kinaon. Gabing, hanga ka, oy. Inom tag tubig sa butong unya. Time check, it's already 2:24. 5 minutes ko.
5 minutes ka?
Oh, dugay kayo makatuyok. Ha?
10 minutes siguro.
Kapila ka nagbalik? Oo. Balik ka niya. So, ano masasabi mo sa iyong experience?
So what I have said, I salute really all the farmers who are doing their job, or doing their work, no, very well. Even though the price of the rice is not that high, and even cannot suffice when they sold the rice, the expenses cannot be, how do you call that one? Hindi man lang makabawi sometimes
Sa gastos.
Sa gastos.
Makapag-English ka. Failure.
Oh, failure. Maybe really. But you know guys, this is our farm. So our farm is just not for
Commercial.
not to profit commercially, but
So,
just for food, no? For our
to support
to
for food consumption. And he is the youngest, but he is the strongest. So, our younger brother is driving the tractor. Look at him. It's easy peasy for him. Hello? Are you still okay? Look at my feet. Look at me after driving the tractor. Dong, bagwag butong dong. It's easy peasy for him. But for me, it's terrible. My heart is racing right now. My heartbeat is racing. I can't explain. But still, challenge done because nakadalawang ikot po tayo. Ayun, yung challenge, natapos ko din. Dalawang ikot. Grabe, hindi po siya madali. Tingnan niyo yung ano ko. Good. Dahil Father's Day ngayon, tayo po ang mag-take over dito sa Ayan, knock-out na po tayo. 2 rounds lang. So, hindi na natin kaya yung mga ginagawa ng boys. Kaya dito muna tayo. Nakahiga. Magpapahinga. Then after, kuha tayo ng butong. Para may mainom yung mga nag-ooperate ng kanina. Tractor. Dahil birthday natin. Ang dami nating sinelebrate. Kasi, di ba, Father's Day. Then birthday. Then Thanksgiving dahil naka-graduate yung kapatid ko. Then yung isa is third year na. So then yung isa kong kapatid is malapit na siyang mag-graduate din doon sa training niya. So then approaching na din yung birthday ng kapatid ko na isa na yung girl. So, 2 po kaming magbe-birthday this month. Then, yung pinaka-highlight din doon is naka 2K subscribers na po tayo. Syempre, milestone yun ng ating bilang creator. So, 2K subscribers. Then, nag-apply na tayo for monetization. And, syempre, pinalad naman at na-accept na. So, yun yung nabasa ko kanina sa email. So, yun. Then, yun. So, marami tayong dapat ipagpasalamat. Siyempre, everyday naman, kailangan nating magpasalamat for all the blessings that we have. So, yun po. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye-bye.